This is what? Synchronous machine.
Generator.
And this is what?
DC separately excited.
DC. And then, what is their use? This DC motor is the prime mover. Prime mover is the machine that runs the DC, and this is the generator. So in that case, usually in the power generation station, they give the type of power generation by the type of prime mover. For example, I can say this one, DC generator station, DC motor, because DC motor is running my synchronous machine. If water is running this one, we call it what? Hydro. If wind, wind energy. If it is nuclear, nuclear power station. If it is steam, steam. If it is diesel, diesel. You get it? So whatever be the case, it is this prime mover that gives this. But this machine is the same thing. Our only problem is we want to be able to run it up to the synchronous speed. Now, as we said, we can connect this motor separately excited or shunt. Is that okay? And then we have another one, series. This is this series or the separate?
Series. And
Huh?
Separately
Separately.
excited.
Why shouldn't we use the series?
the characteristics of series give us a
Yeah,
high power.
Abdallah, you have made slow on yourself. You should have registered this course. Huh? Yeah, you have good understanding. You should have registered this course and get the mark there. Right? Now, okay. Now, which of the connections should I use? Separately excited or shunt?
Doesn't matter.
Separately excited.
The same.
Separately excited is better. Because why? If we do the shunt, you remember there was a question, if I change the voltage, IF2 will change,
Yes.
right? Along this, so it is more difficult to control the shunt. The control range is not high. But if I use separately excited, I can decide to control the
Speed control range.
full control range, this and that. Is that okay? We already know. Last time I told you last week, and I was making the effort that you should use white and black to connect for the DC connection. And the reason is that we have only 3 colors. If I use the same colors for DC and AC, I will mix up my connection. In the field, we don't do that. We have 3 lines and you know the color. Maybe somebody is standing at the power station and then you are at Hammam. He calls you, he tells you the red line. Check the red line. I have grounded the red line. Now, if the red line has changed to green or blue, what happens? You get problem there. So you short circuit to this end and it will be disaster. So we have to keep by the colors. Now, today we are going to use white and black as we did for the DC connection. Remember, for the motor, because the motor is having its connection, when the motor is disconnected, everything will fail. So I make sure that the wires I use are connected well. Look at these wires. They hold more properly than this one. Right? They will hold more than this one. So for that matter, I use this one for the
DC.
DC. Here goes to S, and then we have a short one. T goes to, remember, yeah, you can open your circuit and be following. Please open your circuit diagram and follow the connection.
There is no circuit.
Why not?
And experiment 7. No.
Experiment 8, we are in experiment 8.
There it is.
There is no.
This one?
It's not labeled as experiment 8. I mean the figure, no name.
What is it? Figure? Listen,
Oh,
connection
okay.
circuit 4. Okay, right. Okay, so we are here. We are connecting the field winding.
E1, E2 for field.
Is that okay? So, plus goes here, so that I
Variable.
can control to here. Then I take black. Of course, the black one I will look for this type. I made sure on each table, this side, these ones are there, at least 2 of them. So if you will make wrong connection, you might miss it. So here goes to the negative.
Negative.
Is that okay?
Yes.
So we finish the field winding. Now we go to the armature winding. White armature here, 2, C1, and then I take what? Black. I look for that black that goes where? It is not there, it is this one, right? So I put it here. For this motor, because it is moving, and because when it is disconnected, there will be problem, it's good for you to connect it very well, right? Now listen carefully. This one is only what? A DC motor, and it runs this. It could be load, and we remember we put it on this way. We can control the speed either by armature voltage control, right? When I increase the armature voltage, I'll increase the speed. When I decrease, the same thing here, right? Just for us to remember. Now, today, this is our synchronous motor. We are going to synchronous. Then we are going to connect it as
Y.
Y. So, if I have different color from this one, I can use that one as neutral. If I don't, then I use one of the DC one as neutral. Is that okay? So this connection is the same connection of last week, right?
Oh, this one. No, ما
Yeah,
يجي.
it's not
ما
the same.
يصلح.
Okay, right? Okay, this is why. Now I'm going to connect the field winding, and you remember we use this ammeter because it is a DC ammeter, and we read the nameplate. We see that the armature current is 1.6 and the field current is 0.6. So I'll use 1.2. So that means use this one.
هذا
What's this?
Okay, positive. This is this. Just last week, the same connection, sir. I didn't change anything. Only I'm explaining more. And then 1.2 to F1. Then I'll connect here. Now I don't have this type, right? But because it is there, this is, it doesn't matter. And this one here to the negative. Now we are going to connect. This is the terminal. We are going to
Armature.
connect the voltmeter across. We are here now. We finished this one.
Here.
Now here we are going to connect it. Please, just a minute. We have U2, U1. It doesn't matter. Is that okay? You can change them. It
Yes,
doesn't
yes.
matter. Just make sure it is between two lines.
Yes.
Right? Don't worry about the label because this is AC. So what we do? Two lines.
All right.
I need what? Two different colors. Now here we have long colors, long one and short one. If I look at this one, I know that I have yellow, blue, red. In some of the table is different because of limitation. Now if I use this wire to connect this one, it is waste. You see it? It is waste. Look at this one, right?
Waste.
So we have short one, so we use the shorter one. You see it? Then we connect here, and then we can use another one. You can give me blue.
Small.
Yes, small. You see it? So now this is the just open circuit test. I'm coming. I want to go gradually. Why am I explaining this very seriously? First of all, it is one of the most important experiments in electrical engineering or in machines, because all of the power systems are interconnected, and this is the principle they use. This is number one. Because of that, we also make it very important. In your final, everyone must pass through here. Everyone must be questioned about this. We have Shafa here. We'll connect the circuit down, and you come and operate. We'll ask you questions. Right? Operate is synchronized. How do you increase reactive power, active power, make it to the motor, generator? Understand? This is why I'm spending the time. I'm giving you the exam as well as the questions, the answers. If you forget, it's your problem. Right?
Make it a motor instead of generator.
Yes, listen.
Ah.
So you get it. Now here we have three main supplies. three main supply 380. It comes from Skiko.